Hi, I am M. Kamakshaya from Social Research Insights. This is in fact one of my video casts on series of presentations on circuit simulations through ngspice. In my previous video, I've explained a simple circuit connect in which there are two devices. One is voltage source, and the other is a simple resistor with a value. Now, this is the output. I also explained this output in my previous video, that this is a DC voltage sweep analysis, which means the circuit is simulated for different values of voltage from the source. These are the resultant the current that is passing through the circuit. And now in this video, let's see what happens if we change the resistor value. In the previous video, our file was test. I wrote that code in a small text file. The name of the file was test.cr. cr is an extension. The resistor value was 10 kilo ohms, and this time I make it as 220 kilo ohms. And let's see, will there be any change in the output after ngspice simulates this circuit. Okay, save it, close it, come back, ngspice, and compile this file in batch mode. And please see that your name of the file written without any mistakes or error. Press enter. Now let's go back and see. I think the results are pretty well and also significantly different from the previous output. I said this is significantly different, but anyway, I don't have evidence in my hand to say that whether the difference is significant. That we'll discuss later when we perform some data analysis on this output. How significant a given resistor different from the previous resistor based on the variables, output variables. So here we have that, as I said, this is a simulation for the DC voltage sweep analysis. DC analysis voltage sweep. Anyway, you can. So now the previous value was 1.5 milliamp, and now here you can see that the value for the current in the circuit when the source is 1.5 volts is pretty much different from the previous value. Before we used to have 15 milliamps, but whereas here we have 68 microamps. So earlier we used to have, the current was milliamps, and now the current is pretty much decreased to very significant level, where we have the value 6818 milliamps, or 6.8 microamps, because this 10 to the power of minus 6, it's very clear that this value denotes the micro. And now when the voltage increases to 3 and the current flowing through the circuit is approximately 136 milliamps, that you can see that here. So it's very clear that the current is reducing very drastically. That is because of the increased value of the resistor. So I'll just try to put it in the schema, that earlier we had a voltage source of varying 0 to 9 volts. The name of the voltage source is V1, and connected to a resistor where the resistor is 10 kilo ohms. Now we changed it to 220 kilo ohms. So obviously when resistance increases, the current in the circuit also reduces. So this is a simple analysis that we can check
for different values of resistor. Thank you. Keep watching my videos, and if you like, press like and share my videos, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Keep watching.